Welcome to part 2. We're going to look at our first major scale position, and we're going to look at the fingering associated with the E major shape. So here's our E major chord, and if we move that chord shape to different places on the guitar, of course we can play any major chord, and there's a really nice major scale fingering associated with this shape. So let's play A major, and let's run through the fingering associated with this shape. So it starts on the second finger on the 5th fret, your first finger hovering over the 4th fret. We'll play quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do 8th notes. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... Triplets. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Good. Now let's do 16th notes. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and... In the next video we're going to look at the G shape, which also starts on the 6th string, and will also start on A, and we'll eventually link these two together so you get, a big chunk of the guitar that you start to learn at once. So stay tuned for the next video.